Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss my thoughts on the reality sector, why I'm interested in investing in the reality sector. First, during this market fall, I would like to pick one stock from the reality the moment market start reversal. What could be the reason? All this, my thought process, I am going to discuss in this video. Before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay. Coming to the sector, just my thought is something like this is just I don't want to share any chart or anything in this video. Just my thought process I wanted to share. Let's say a person started investing in the mutual funds. This is the mutual funds. Okay. He he got the loss of 25 percentage or 30 percentage. He invested 50 lakhs amount in this field, in the reality, sorry, in the stock market or in the mutual funds. Okay. During this fall, right, I don't think this fall is going to recover so quickly. Now, most probably, as per my expectation, coming 2 3 years, right, coming 2 3 years, market is going to be like this only. Maximum it may reach to the previous levels, which is around 26,000. Okay, it will not go beyond this. Even my thought process, what I am, my expectations, right, as per the last budget and the policies, all those things closely if we see, right, coming few days we may see some more interesting events with respect to the sebi regulations, all those things, because in the budget FM announced, like, this year mainly focus on you know policy changes in the stock market related, capital markets especially, and also stabilizing the markets, standardizing the some policies, something like that. Okay, which means that they wanted to bring a lot of good things in the markets. That was the expectation, which may hurt the market sentiment. Okay, for example, increasing the lot size or restricting on retail investors into the derivative segment, limiting the retailer into the derivative segment, and also the influencers, okay, who makes the YouTube videos, putting the restrictions on them, and encouraging the people to register with the SEBI. These kind of policies may maybe brings something, some negative sentiment into the traders, and especially the people who is trading with the huge capitals, like 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, these kind of influencers, right, market makers and trainers. These people may hesitate, create the more awareness. The moment these guys stops the more awareness, right, slowly the education process will get lagging, and due to that, right, the market participants may come down slowly. If that is the case, all these brokerage companies, CDSL, BSE, these kind of companies, MCX, this went up heavily, right? Those companies are going to get the reasonable corrections. Okay, by considering all these things, right, I feel like market may not go up going forward for coming 2 years or 3 years. Let's say if that is the case, in case market is not moving, okay, your investments went into the losses, unrecoverable losses. Let's take some examples, like you invested in a company, okay, That company is Apar Industries, for example. I am taking. I am not against for this any company or anything. Just I am taking this. This was trading around 11,000. Today it is trading at 5,000. Okay, Dixon Technologies, it was trading around 19,000. Now it is trading around 12 to 14,000. Okay, this was the range. Okay, if you take the Reliance, it was trading close to the 1350. Now it is trading at 1200. Okay, such a big fall, right? Almost all the companies we are seeing the heavy fall. Okay, so and also some small cap companies, all the sectorial indices. If we see, right, let me open the some sectors. Uh, okay, the media sector, the energy sector, reality sector, all the sectors it went more than 30 percentage. Only the financial services and private bank nifty, these three are trading still very below 10,000. Sorry, below 10 percentage. Nifty itself crashed 15 percentage correction. Okay, from the October 1st I am tracking. This is the October 1st. So if this continues, right, if this continue, and if the market doesn't have the positivity, if market is not having the positivity, slowly people will start exiting from the market, and they will think some other investment options. Okay, if that is the case, if some other investment options means what are there other than this? One is the FD, fixed deposits. Okay, second one is the gold or metals, silver. Okay, these kind of things. If we see the past record, right, last 25 years or 30 years, at least if you take from the 2000, right, it went like very good reasonably. Last 4 years the gold also equally give 30% CAGR. 30% CAGR it has given. So there could be some investment in this area, it may move. Okay, if the investments are going to move into the gold, okay, maybe international market and some international limitations from the US and China, these things, they will, if they put some restrictions on the gold, all those things, right, they may put the gold under pressure some one fine day, and also this is also going to stable at one place. Okay, other than this, FDs we don't get the much. Inflation is going up. Okay, interest rates will not go up much as per the inflation. Due to this, right, we may end up paying the negative returns in the FDs. Okay, if the inflation is more than 6%, if we are getting only 6 to 7% on the FDs, okay, around 2 to 3%, minus 2 to 3% negative interest we have to we may get. It cannot beat the inflation. Okay, so FDs are not the right thing. Gold investment also, one fine day it is also going to stable some one point. Okay, other than these two things, there is another sector which I am feeling like, okay, there is a probability of uh, you know getting the traction, that is the real estate. The problem with this real estate currently, it is running a little bit slower than what I expected. Was the reasons was like oversupply during the corona time, right? Okay, labor shortage, material shortage. Due to all these reasons, there are so many projects. Okay, at the same time, corona, demonetization, so many issues came because of these things, right? This field, real estate field, it was under pressure sometime between the 2017 to 21. It was under pressure. After that, what happened, at one shot there is a shortage for the all the people work from home, all the force, right, workforce started coming to the offices. Okay, the moment they started coming to the offices and the cities are getting filled after 2 years or 24 months. After 24 months, everybody wanted to come back to the cities. Okay, in the cities, especially big projects and real estate sector, where the you know due to the labor, due to the demand, supply, all these things, right? There was a shortage in the homes. Because of that shortage, quickly it spiked up all the rates, right? The site cost and the real estate cost and the rent, especially these things spiked up like 100% very quick. Even in Bangalore, okay, some of the areas like Whitefield and all the areas, almost all the areas, whoever invested for uh, around 2019, 4 years ago, it was like 3000 per square feet, for example I am taking. Okay, today it is selling at 8000 in any areas. Okay, 4000 went into the 8000. Okay, this is going to become like some stability we will see. It will not increase immediately. But if the market continue in the fall, right? Okay, now all of sudden there is a oversupply in this real estate, especially job market was getting slower, unemployment is going up. Okay, inflation is going up, all these reasons, right? Okay, because of these reasons, rent and other things are coming down little bit. This trend will be there for some time. Okay, because of this oversupply, at one shot there was a shortage. In order to fill this shortage, right, all the people started the double quantity. So many projects, new projects came, and all those things came into the ready to move stage now. Okay, because of this ready to move state, and all remaining things, remaining houses got filled, and due to inflation and job loss, all these things, right, real estate got oversupply now. Okay, because of this oversupply, if you see some other issues, okay, the political, geopolitical issues, or within the country, between the states, there are some changes happened. In Karnataka, government got changed. In Telangana, government changed. Okay, these places, whatever the policies they are taking, maybe those policies in the long run may be good. Okay, illegal properties, demolishing illegal properties and legalizing something, this policy changes, maybe in the long run it is good, but immediately it created the fear in the people. Because of this, real estate also slowing down. Okay, if the real estate and market, okay, if the real estate and market, whatever I am talking in the real estate, unorganized unorganized thing and organized thing, there are two things, right? Organized thing in the sense, there are big builders where they will they will get all the approvals, and legally they will construct. This is the authorized. Okay, organized real estate. Okay, wherever the sites, small builders who try to get some approvals, and lagging here and there, and occupy something here and there, they will construct without having all the permissions, right? This is the unorganized real estate sector. Okay, this unorganized may get. Okay, now this unorganized people may not able to sell the sites and flats because of the legal problems and the actions taken by the government. Okay, state governments especially. So if that is the case, okay, the markets are in the red for the a very longer time. You imagine, like, okay, going forward another 6 months, another 6 months, if the market, 6 months to 1 year, if the market stays in the same sideways or same stage. Okay, that means whatever you invested 2 3 years ago, you got the returns of 18 to 20 to 100 percentage maximum, I can say, in the mutual funds especially. Slowly this becomes like, it becomes like zero, or you will not see much returns. Okay, the moment you see this kind of things, right, you will try to take out from the market again, and trying to put somewhere. Okay, where you wanted to put. Instead putting into the real estate unorganized sector, you may end up buying the organized builders. Okay, organized registered companies which are going to get benefited if the market continue for the longer time. If this is the case, the real estate sector is going to go up. Okay, these companies whoever constructing, right, this real estate ventures they are doing across the cities like, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, these areas. Who is the famous in these areas? Godrej Properties, or Brigade, or DLF. If you see all these companies, okay, based on the geographically, if we see in South India, North India, who is famous where? Okay, this companies are going to get benefited in the long run if the market continues in the downtrend. Okay, people may start taking some money out, or any new investments exit from the market, and people get the market participants may get the frustration and big shots, especially whoever trading with the huge capitals. They are having lot of limitations, and SEBI is putting lot of fines on them. Okay, they may start stopping trading on the markets. In that case, where that money goes, they may start buying into the real estate, something like that. Okay, this kind of things immediately you may not see, but slowly I feel this transformation may come in coming 12 months. If that is the going to happen, reality sector is going to go up. Okay, this is the sector where we can expect the first recovery in the market. That is what now most of the companies, if we see, right, Nifty Reality. Okay, Nifty Reality, around 40% is the maximum. Let me go to the chart and let us see something in the chart. What are the companies? Some real estate companies we can take. So I wanted to pick some companies where heavily fallen. This is the Ganesh Housing. Okay, Brigade. Brigade clearly it's showing the trend, a negative trend, right? Okay, maybe if this falls till this point, right? I wanted to pick the first real estate, one of the real estate company. Okay, if the start comes in this range, I'm expecting another 20 percentage correction in this. Maybe too much expectation, too much greedy. I don't know. If my expectation as per my price thing it comes, okay, I'm going to pick some of the companies. Suntech Realty. Godrej Properties. Okay, maybe this is what my price range I am thinking, 1200. If this comes for the 1200 or this area, 12 to 1400, I can buy this. Okay, still steep correction is there. Oberoi Realty, how much this fallen, right? Oberoi Realty, 22% is fallen. Mahalife, Godrej Properties is the highest, 40% fallen. Okay, so this is the sector we can track, and we can start buying during the one fine day. What happens, there will be some transformation. People will get realize, and they feel like real estate is the better than what FDs and this market. Because of this market having up and downs, people may get realize one fine day, and they start picking the houses or properties in this organized companies. That is what my expectation. If that is the case, these companies are going to make the good returns. Okay, that is the and also due to the market correction, we may get at the discount level. If we get the at the discount level, very cheap level, we can buy and hold. Instead, buying the property. Let me tell you the few cases. Okay, let's say you bought the property for 50 lakhs. and leave for the investment. Okay, there is a probability of somebody will occupy this, or there will be some issues for legal issues, all those things, right? There is a risk in this for buying the property. Same risk is there in the market as well. Okay, instead buying the property, you buy the property or good real estate company house. Okay, or some individual houses, villa houses, where you will be having the returns on the land as well as the house. Okay, apartments, it is going to degrade actually. Instead buying the apartments, buy the villa house, this kind of thing. Okay, if this is the case, these companies are going to make the returns. People start buying this property slowly, the rich people. Instead investing in the market, some amount take out from the market and put here. So these sectors are going to go up. Okay, if the real estate goes up, okay, obviously interlinked companies like cement, all this cement companies, okay, metal companies, these kind of companies also equally will go. And loans, whoever gives the loans, okay, these loans companies, the financial companies also may go. Housing loan companies, okay, if the housing loan companies also start going up, right? Okay, my preference will be the Bajaj Housing Finance. After the listing out, if this comes for the 80 rupees, or between 80 to 70, we can pick for 5 lakh rupees and forget it, something like that. Hold for the longer time. It may, the track record for that group companies, right? There is a good track record where the business model and it gone up. Okay, like that we can analyze the few of the things and we can start picking the companies. But my first preference during this market fall, one of this sector I'm going to capture this. Okay, I'm waiting for the taking some entries in the real estate. Start buying some around, slowly, 4 5 installment we can buy one company around 2 to 3 lakhs and invest in these companies. Okay, this is one of the things. The reason I wanted to buy in this company instead of buying the mutual fund, right? Mutual fund not having any real estate related sector based mutual funds, not there in the India. Maybe I'm not sure, recently some fund houses might have started also. I am not in the track as of now. I will try to figure out any things are there. Okay, this is what my analysis on the markets. Okay, if the market continues the downtrend, or it may stay here for more time, uh, then there will be a probability of transformation from money capital markets to real estate. Okay, if that is the case, these are the companies which are going to recover first. Okay, if anyway the company comes in the discount level, there is no wrong, buying at the lower level. That's what I feel. Okay, thank you so much, friends. Okay, that is what my thought process about the real estate. Uh, Maybe market dynamics. Okay, if the market start rising, um, my analysis may go wrong. Okay, risk will be there everywhere. We have to consider the risk factors while investing. Okay, that is the reason I was taking, and I was telling, if we get into the discount level where it is very less, okay, discount level only I wanted to buy. Otherwise, we don't buy. Okay, thank you so much.